One key characteristic of resilience is the ability to strategize and find solutions to problems. A crucial step in problem solving involves analyzing your situation to identify helpful factors and obstacles you may need to overcome. A very powerful tool that can aid in this process is the SWOT analysis. While it's widely used in business, SWOT analysis can also be adapted to enhance your personal life and resilience building efforts. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's break it down to explore how you can apply it to your personal challenges. Let's start with strength. These are your personal assets such as your abilities and skills, relevant experiences you have that can support your goals, knowledge you've acquired, resources like money, tools, or the time you have available. Identifying strength is very important because understanding what you already have gives you a solid foundation to build upon. For example, if you are an excellent communicator and you know that you can use this skill to plan suitable solutions. Weaknesses are the areas where you may lack something, such as there may be resources you need to acquire, skills you need to learn, connections or networks you don't yet have and you need to build, or any other limitations you may have. Knowing your weaknesses is very useful also. This isn't about discouragement, it's about awareness. Once you identify what's missing, you can strategize on how to acquire the resources or skills necessary for achieving your goals. Notice that strengths and weaknesses are internal. They are down to you. This means that they are within your control. So you have the power to leverage your strength and the power to try and overcome your weaknesses. Opportunities are external factors or situations that could help you, such as emerging favorable trends, available support systems you can access, networking opportunities, training programs you can access, new technologies that can serve your goals, and so much more. Identifying opportunities is important because opportunities allow you to capitalize on favorable conditions and leverage them to your advantage. For example, if there is a new course available and you join it, this might help you gain knowledge and meet people who can support your goals. Threats are external challenges that might impede your progress, such as risks. For example, an unstable economy can be a factor for risk, unfavorable changes in circumstances, and any obstacles that might arise. It is important to be aware of threats because this way you can plan ways to mitigate or prepare for them. Even when a threat can't be eliminated, you can still minimize its impact if you plan. Opportunities and threats come from your external environment. This means that they are outside your control, but you can still plan to deal with them effectively. And you can only do so if you are aware of opportunities and threats. Using the SWOT analysis allows you to approach challenges with a clear and structured mindset. This tool helps you capitalize on your strengths and opportunities while addressing weaknesses and mitigating threats. This is not just about problem solving, it's about empowering you to adapt and thrive in any situation. In the next lecture, I will guide you through an activity to assess your own strengths.